towards the oh, it took it from her hand. We're all like in form. Wow, that's a nice hotel. Oh, I just got like splashed by water. I just felt it. Unless that's someone throwing water at me, but I doubt it. Oh look, she's... Oh, that guy caught it in his mouth. I got that on tape. Oh my god, look at that crazy bird. Oh, I got a video of that. Put these all on YouTube. Don't crap on me! Are they back? I put privacy please because, you know, what if we're like out here and the stewardess is like room service and then I walk in and I'm like, hello.
Oh yeah, we're trying to... Well, the waves are a lot.
Whoa, look at that guy. He almost like fell in. I need to charge my camera. Where's Dad? My charger's in the safe. Whoa, look! Ah! We're turning to the port. I know, I'm getting wet.
Oh, we caught it.
We should seriously go. Oh, another one. Wow. Oh my gosh. It kind of almost like hit me.
Let me charge my